Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Birds. Birds have wings, so they can fly. They have strong beaks, but no teeth. They lay eggs. They build nests to live in. Okay, this is sparrow. A sparrow, Sparrow. Okay, a sparrow is small bird. We see everywhere in India. Builds its nest in our houses. It eats food grains and small insects. Okay, this is sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird we see everywhere in India. It builds its nest in our houses. Eats food grain and small insects. Okay. Next. This is crow, Crow, crow. A crow is black. It is a common bird. It builds its nest in trees. Crow is a common bird. Crow is black. It builds its nest in trees. Okay. Next, hen, hen. A hen is a common bird. It is a domestic bird. It lays eggs. Some people eat its eggs. Okay. Hen. Hen is a domestic bird. It lays eggs. Some people eat its eggs. Okay. Next, tailor bird. Tailor bird. Tailor bird. Tailor bird. Okay. A tailor bird is a small songbird. Okay. It builds its nest in a large folded leaf. Okay. It sews the edges of the leaf together with the strips of some thread or fiber, using its long bill as a needle. Okay. Tailor bird is a small songbird. Okay. It builds its nest in large folded leaf. Okay. It sews the edges of the leaf together. Okay. With strips of some thread or fiber, using its long bill as a needle. Okay. Next, pigeon. Pigeon. A pigeon is a very familiar bird. It builds its nest in the outer parts of the buildings as well as in our houses. It is quite harmless bird. Okay, pigeon is quite harmless bird. A pigeon is a very familiar bird. Next, a kite. Kite. A kite is a common bird. Okay, kite is a common bird. It has sharp eyes. It flies high in the sky. It hunts and kills other animals for food. So it is called a bird of prey. Kite is a common bird. It has sharp eyes. Okay. It flies high in the sky. It hunts and kills other animals for food. So it is called a bird of prey. Next, cuckoo. Cuckoo. A male cuckoo is black. Okay. We usually see it in summer. It sings sweetly in spring. A female cuckoo lays its eggs in a crow's nest. The poor crow hatches them and cares for the baby cuckoos. A male cuckoo is a black. We usually see it in summer. It sings sweetly in spring. Okay. Female cuckoo lays eggs in crow's nest. Next, duck. Duck. A duck is a water bird. We find it near ponds. It has a flat beak and webbed feet. It quacks. Duck quacks. Duck is a water bird. We find it near ponds. Owl, O-W-L, owl. And owl has round eyes. Okay, owl has round eyes. It flies by night. It flies by night. It is a wild bird. It is a bird of prey. The hooting of an owl is fearsome. Okay. Next, woodpecker. This is woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. A woodpecker is a wild bird. It has a sharp, strong and pointed beak. It has sharp, strong and pointed beak. It pecks at tree trunks. And makes holes. It lives on small insects under the bark of large trees. It has a very long and sticky tongue. Okay. Woodpecker is a wild bird. It pecks at tree trunks and makes holes. Okay. It lives on small insects under the bark of large trees. Next, peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. A peacock is a beautiful and graceful bird. Okay, it has long train of greenish feathers marked with gold spots. Okay, it has long greenish feathers marked with gold spots. It looks very attractive when it opens out its feathers like a fan. It is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Swan, S-W-A-N, swan. A swan is a graceful water bird. It has a long neck. Okay. It is white. It is not a common bird in India. We find it at the lakes in the Himalayas. Okay. Next, exercises. Answer orally. Which bird has a red beak? Parrot. Okay. Parrot has a red beak. Next, which bird pecks at tree trunks? Woodpecker. Okay. Woodpecker pecks at tree trunks. Next, which bird sings sweetly in spring? Cuckoo. Cuckoo sings sweetly in spring. Which bird is our national bird? Peacock. Peacock. Okay. Which bird has a red beak? Parrot. Which bird pecks at tree trunks? Woodpecker. Which bird sings sweetly in spring? Cuckoo. Which bird is our national bird? Peacock. Okay. Next, name the bird. It is kept as a pet in a cage. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. It opens out its feathers and dances with joy. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. It is found at the lakes in the Himalayas. Swan. Okay. We find it at the lakes in the Himalayas. Swan. S-W-A-N, swan. It has round eyes and it flies by night. Owl. O-W-L, owl. Once again, name the bird. It is kept as a pet in a cage. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. It opens out its feathers and dances with joy. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. It is found at the lakes in the Himalayas. Swan. S-W-A-N, swan. It has round eyes and it flies by night. Owl. O-W-L, owl. Okay. Thank you.